I joined this course by fluke. This was the best course that I could ever do because it has a very good balance of the basic concepts of psychology of giftedness and its application in education. And I think coming from a field like architecture, the application part of it is something that I really feel is important because that creates the impact. So this is a very, very well designed course. Even the course planning, I really, it is a very holistic one. So many of my friends, when I told them that I am studying this, they were asking me, how are all of these things even related? Like architecture, psychology, education, design, what are you doing exactly? What is happening? So the direct effect of the course was one, I got a basic introduction to the psychology of children. So I think the few people who do not have a psychology background, don't be scared. Even I did not have one. But I think just if you just show the willingness to learn, these people are there to help you out. Second is awareness about the concept of giftedness. I did not have much awareness, but I think this developed an awareness and sensitivity towards them. Third most important thing it did is it also increased my self-awareness and how I can understand myself better, understand the people around me better, and how I can help them in any possible way. Then like I wouldn't call it advice, but something that my learnings and something that I would like to pass on is first thing is contribute in any form that is comfortable. There might be people who are not very comfortable in talking initially, but I think only when you are contributing, when you are discussing, that you are really learning. We tried to discuss a lot in our class, like in the class or after that. The library is very good, so all the people who can access it, please do, because it is during this time that you can really make use of it. Third is explore different topics in the assignments. So that way very open-ended. So all the things that you ever wanted to explore it in this, because this is the platform you are getting for experimentation. And we have really experienced and good faculty to give you great feedback. I think by the end of it, you will find impact of these learnings on yourself, and it will help you nurture not just children, but I think everyone around you, like if all the humans of any age around you. I think the best part of Jnana Prabodhini is the fact that once you enter or be a part of it in any form, you are a member of the family directly. Like it's so welcoming that you are a member of the family. So if you genuinely wish to create an impact, you will find immense connections and opportunities, like I think Anaghatai said. So make sure that you are a part of it.